Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving down into BNB, also known as Binance Coin. We're going to be taking a look at the daily chart, the 4-hour chart, and the 1-hour chart. The big question is BNB still considered bullish, or is it about to go bearish? So diving right into it. You guys can see for the overall trend on the daily that BNB technically is still bullish. However, it is getting close to being in danger. We do have a low right here. We have backtested this higher low multiple times right here. We backtested it here. We backtested it here. And we have backtested it right here. So BNB has been backtesting this massive sloping support. The big question is it going to hold? At this current moment, BNB is under a massive, and I mean a massive sloping resistance. This technically means that it is short-term bearish. Every single time that the price action hit this white line, technically it sold off to the downside. So the big question is are we going to be able to get a confirmed breakout back above the sloping resistance in order to be bullish? Now, if we take a look for our key level supports whenever it comes to BNB, you guys can see that there is a key level area, which is going to be right here. Technically, my own personal opinion is going to be about $360. We have backtested it many times. We backtested a lot over here, played as a support here, played it as a strong support here, support here, support here. Technically, if we break below the sloping support, then 360 is going to be our key level area. And if we break below that, then it will not look good whenever it comes to BNB. Our next key level area that we would be looking for is technically all the way down here, which is going to be about $330. I personally do not think that we are going to break down to this area. I do think there's a good chance that we're going to end up in a consolidation. So consolidation means that we're probably going to be looking to just trade sideways. So BNB has been trading around this key level area for some time now. So we're talking about $435. So there's a good chance that we're probably going to be looking to trade in between this key level area for a certain amount of time. I would like to see BNB get a confirmed breakout out of the sloping resistance and along with our 200 EMA. So you guys can see that we do have a green line here, which is the 200 EMA. If the price action happens to break above that and above the sloping resistance and above $435, then we will become extremely, and I mean extremely bullish. Once we get past 435, technically we're going to be looking for a nice gap up all the way up to about $510 whenever it comes to BNB price action. And that will give us a great opportunity to become extremely bullish as stated. Now, if we happen to break down below this key level area, then it will not be looking good. So I'm going to be looking for BNB to trade sideways in between this area probably over the next month, but eventually we'd like to get a nice strong breakout to the upside. This is what we would like to see happen. Does it mean it is going to happen? No, it is not. If we go ahead and dive down into our lower time frames, such as the 4-hour time frame, you guys will see the exact same thing, that the price action has been attempting to get a strong breakout out of the 200 EMA, the green line. We have attempted multiple times. So we are trying to go bullish, but we have not. If we dive down into the 1-hour time frame, you guys will see that it is pretty aggressive for the sloping resistance. So eventually, ladies and gentlemen, be on the lookout. Got to get the breakouts here above 435, 440. Once we get that, we will, as stated, become extremely bullish. If we happen to break to the downside, we have a sloping support here. And then as stated, we're going to be looking for $360. So I'm expecting a nice consolidation move whenever it comes to BNB. And then after that, we'll see what happens. Eventually in the future, we're going to be looking for that big breakout. If you guys will, leave some comments down below and tell us, are you bullish or are you bearish whenever it comes to BNB? Be sure, if you guys have not had the opportunity, to smash up that like button and smash up that subscribe button. All right. So BNB hanging in there, looking strong. If we break below, going bearish. If we break above, we're going bullish. So overall, right now, overall trend is still looking phenomenal, and it is still holding strong. Good chance that it will most likely follow Bitcoin and Ethereum. But other than that, thank you guys so much for being here, and you guys have a wonderful day. and we will see you later, and ciao.